an amazing transformation. She ended up getting this beautiful pixie style with a shaven nape. Oh, this is absolutely stunning. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be taking a look at some more long to short transformations. So here we have the stylist once again cutting someone's hair. And it looks like she also got a very chic and cool girl pixie style. I absolutely love it. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Beautiful bob haircut and the red hair coloring, followed by someone who has curly hair. And she decided to get this shoulder length bob style. Very nice. Next up, we have someone with long mid-back length hair. And the stylist gives her a nice shoulder length bob haircut as well. Beautiful, simple, and chic. Next up, we see someone rocking purple money piece highlights. Ooh, and she decided to go with a pixie style yet again. I love her makeup. So pretty. And then here we see someone with long waist length hair. The hair is placed in ponytails and looks like she's doing a DIY haircut. Going with more of like a mid-length hairstyle. And then we see someone with long waist length hair. Wow. It's actually below her waist. She decides to switch things up with this shoulder length bob haircut. Wow, that is a lot of hair. Next up, we see someone with two long waist length braids. Oh, wow. Beautiful bob makeover with the bangs. Stunning. She looks amazing. And then we see someone with mid-length hair. Oh, and another beautiful pixie style. This one features a long back, kind of making it more of like a modern mullet. Very cute style idea. And then we see someone once again with long waist length hair. And she gets a nice fresh pixie haircut. Very nice. And then we have another stunning bob makeover. I love her outfit. Beautifully done. And then we see someone with mid-back length hair once again. And the stylist also does a nice fresh pixie style with this one. Very nice. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these long to short hair transformations with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.